So, a Smile Foundation is directly impacting the lives of over 300,000 children and their families every year through the 158 rural villages and slums across 25 states of the country. Says real work brings about real change. And in that model,
Thank you, sir. Good afternoon, all. I would like to thank you all media friends and Tigmanshu sir and Nagesh sir to be present here. Like Bikram sir said, we have been using cinema to sensitize the mass, and we have produced number of feature film, number of short films, documentaries. Now we are coming up with this festival, which is Smile International Film Festival for Children and Youth. We have been working for last 4 years on this festival, and finally we are very close to the opening date. When we conceived this, few names came into our mind, and like we thought of Tigmanshu sir, we thought of Nagesh sir, we thought of Hansal Mehta sir, or Janu Barua, or Rasul Pukutti, or some more names. And we approached them with the idea, and first when I met Tigmanshu sir and Nagesh sir, they said, क्या करना है बताओ, हमें इसमें we want to give our best. This is such a wonderful idea to sensitize the mass through meaningful cinema, through a festival. So we are ready to utilize all our resources. Wholeheartedly हम लोग इसमें जुड़ना चाहते हैं. हमसे जो support लेना है आप ले लो type. So this kind of encouragement we got, and that's how we decided to do it. Otherwise, without their support, without their a kind of I would say blessings, we wouldn't have thought of this idea. So now they have been advising us on different issues, different ideas on the festival. We are doing it. It will start on 21st December. It's a week-long festival, and you'll be happy to know that for the first edition we have received more than 2,000 film submissions from across 100 countries. And now we have shortlisted, finalized 80 films, 30 feature film, 30 short film, and 20 films made by children, made by students. So this is our schedule. You have the schedule with you. We have specially designed this schedule for you. And like the festival is opening on 21st. And for more updates, we will give you updates regularly. Now I would request Tigmanshu sir and Nagesh sir to share their experience with this festival, and as they have come to support this initiative, we are very much thankful to them. I would request them to say a few words.
We will be going to Delhi for the inauguration. But the thing is that why a festival? Why are so many festivals happening in our country? We must look into that. I think it's a very good initiative, because today when we watch films, we or students or film buffs, any intellectuals interested in good cinema, we watch films in isolation today. Each and every film is available on the net. You go on the net, you watch the film, and then you forget it. What happens in festival, it becomes an interactive kind of a session. You watch a film, you discuss it with friends. There's a seminar like this happening where you can question the director, why he's made this film, what was the motive behind it, how great a reach this film is going to have. Cinema is not like writing poetry or doing a painting behind closed doors. When you make a film, there are 150, 200 people involved in making films. So when it comes out, it has to be consumed like with a lot of people. You need to talk about it. As it is, our society has become so much alienated. There's so much alienation in our society. We don't talk. We don't talk to each other. We have virtual friends on the phone and on your Facebook, your likes and dislikes. But face to face, we aren't interacting. Film festival gives you this chance to interact. One human being will interact with another. When I was a kid studying in Allahabad, we had a small film club in the university. And we used to get 16 millimeter films from the Pune archives. And we used to watch it. I was young, I couldn't understand Truffaut, Bergman, Godard, nothing, but I felt that I'm watching something important. And then we used to ask our senior, what is the film about? And that experience of going to this film club made me, and today I'm sitting in front of you. Just imagine what kind of influence this film festival will have on so many kids from across the world. Smile Foundation initiative is clean, it's innocent, and backed with cinema, because cinema is the greatest art, living art today. It is beyond music, it is beyond architecture, it is beyond painting. It has the greatest reach. And children are people who are not conditioned. We are conditioned, you and me, because we have been told what is right and what is wrong. किससे कैसी बात करनी है, सही कदम कब उठाना है, माँ बाप, हमारे स्कूल में हमारे टीचर्स, आपके सीनियर्स हमको कंडीशन कर देते हैं ना जिंदगी में, सही बात बोलना है. बच्चे, जानवर, बूढ़े लोग, ये लोग कंडीशनिंग के बाहर होते हैं. तो बच्चों को उसी वक्त, उतनी छोटी उम्र में अगर बताया जाए कि अच्छा सिनेमा क्या है, उनके अंदर वो वैल्यूज डाले जाएं, तो शायद हमारा हिंदुस्तान का सिनेमा या दुनिया का सिनेमा और बेहतर होगा. स्माइल फाउंडेशन का जो इनिशिएटिव है, मेरी बहुत ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं इनके साथ है. थैंक यू.
Good afternoon. When Jitendra first approached me with the idea about a film festival, the immediate response was an overwhelming yes, for the simple reason that, just like Tigmanshu stated, film festivals are great opportunities for very, very strong cultural exchanges. As we grow older, we get really cynical, and I remember film festivals when I was growing up. I always used to roll my eyes thinking that it was just for the intellectuals, and one never got an opportunity to experience what was considered popular cinema. These days, film festivals they've learned to encompass a wide variety of films. And I think what is very critical, and I really hope that the Smile Foundation is able to carry that out, starting from the very first edition, is there is no greater way to expose kids to experiences of children all across different countries than through a film festival. I got the opportunity to experience that firsthand in Berlin this year when my film Dhanak went there. They actually shut schools down during the Berlin Film Festival, and they encourage all the children by writing letters to the principals and the trustees of the schools. They encourage all these children to come and watch films from different parts of the world, because that really opens their mind's eye. This is not just to make great cinema, but also to understand issues related to kids all around the world. And I think using using a format like this for this festival will also carry a lot of weight. I think it's something that could prove to be very effective. How many films do you have in this edition, Jitin?
80.
80.
80.
Wow. And are you following the format of bringing kids also?
Yeah.
Okay. Wonderful. So all the ideas I just stated as my own experiences are moot because they're already doing it. But seriously, jokes apart, I think it's a wonderful way to disseminate both information and culture. Film festivals are, and I hope they continue this in a really robust fashion and not lose steam after the first couple of years, which is very, very critical. And it's very standard in our country. We always start things off with a bang and then things slowly go by the wayside. So I'm really rooting for this festival to take off well and actually stay afloat for many more years to come. Thanks.
Thank you. So if anybody would like to ask any questions, you are most welcome to do so about the film, about the idea behind it, and about the participation.
हेलो हाँ नागेश जी, बच्चों के लिए फिल्म जो है बॉलीवुड में बहुत कम बनाई जाती है। आपने इकबाल जैसी फिल्म बनाई हुई है, कितनी अहमियत है इस तरह की फिल्में बनाने की, कितनी ज़रूरत है मतलब?
वैसे तो ज़रूरत तो है ही, पर प्लीज़ अंडरस्टैंड कि फिल्म्स जो है एक ऐसी आर्ट फॉर्म है जो उसमें काफ़ी बिजनेस जुड़ा हुआ रहता है। अगर हम डिज्नी का फॉर्मेट फॉलो करें and we genuinely start making kids for films, I think we can see the business side of things also. Problem ये है कि जब भी हम इंडिया में चिल्ड्रंस फिल्म के बारे में बात करते हैं तो the first thing that comes to mind is a very dumbed down, pardon my saying that, very stupid film जो बच्चों के लिए हा हा you know, it's stuff like that. अगर वो अप्रोच हम चेंज कर लें, intelligent children's films can be made. If you look at a lot of animated films made abroad, as an adult you can enjoy it, as a child they can enjoy it. I mean, these are very intelligent films. अगर हम इसको box office potential के नज़रिए से देखें, I think you'll see a lot more people making children's films. ज़रूरत तो है, मगर कितने लोग ये फिल्म बनाएंगे, you know, I can't say for sure. अब धनक रिलीज पे आ रही है and we're having such an interesting time releasing it. So, you know, it's both helpful and dangerous to be called a children's film.
वैसे हमारे यहाँ बच्चों के लिए तो फिल्में बन रही हैं यार, जो फिल्में हम आ रही हैं वो बच्चों के लिए है।
Hi. Will you ever be making film on children?
Yes, why not? Yes. But as Nagesh said, that today the children are exposed to Disney, as he said, Disney. They're all very expensive films. Toy Story or Cinderella, Alice in Wonderland. These are very, very expensive films. So if a producer or a studio agrees to shell out that kind of money to make a children film, I will. Why not?
Thank you.
Any question?
देखिए ये जो दिक्कत है ये पूरी सिनेमा की है, सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए। हमारे देश में पहले भी कहाँ बच्चों की फिल्में बनती थी, बट एक चिल्ड्रन फिल्म सोसाइटी थी जो कि फिल्में बनाती थी। तो मुझे याद है कि पहले थिएटर्स में वो फिल्में रिलीज होती थी, मॉर्निंग शोज में। मैंने बहुत देखी है, मैं भी एक बच्चों के पिक्चर में मैंने एक्टिंग की है। वो ख्वाजा में तब बस अब्बास साहब ने डायरेक्ट की थी, भारत दर्शन उस पिक्चर का नाम था। तो तब बनती थी और हम लोग जाते थे। तब ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट लॉरेल हार्डी और टार्जन ये भी आती थी, हमने थिएटर में देखते थे फिल्में। अब वो जमाना बदल गया है। आजकल के बच्चों के लिए आप इस तरह का हेवी विजुअल इफेक्ट्स वाली फिल्में देख रहे हैं, वो कहाँ जो छोटे सस्ते बच्चों की फिल्म यानी कि कम बजट, वो बच्चे नहीं आएंगे देखने। और वो बच्चे जो एक्चुअली में वो फिल्में देखना चाहते हैं, जो देख सकते हैं, उनके लिए टिकट बहुत महंगे हैं हमारे। जिस देश में 90% जनता 10,000 रुपए से कम महीना में कमा रही हो, 250 रुपए का 300 रुपए का टिकट कौन देखेगा यार? तो ये समस्या सिर्फ बच्चों के लिए नहीं, टोटल सिनेमा की को लेकर ही है, एग्जीबिशन को लेकर। ऑडियंस को लेके?
नहीं, I think Tigmanshu said it perfectly. हमेशा इकोनॉमिक्स की बात होती है. अगर बिजनेस पोटेंशियल लोग देखेंगे कि चिल्ड्रंस फिल्म में है, अगर बॉक्स ऑफिस नंबर्स हैं, तो ऑटोमेटिकली ज़्यादा चिल्ड्रंस फिल्म्स बनेंगे. प्रॉब्लम ये है कि राइट नाउ वी आर ऑल फाइटिंग द सेम बैटल.
एक बार बताऊं, जो आर्ट एंड कल्चर जो जिस तरह से पनपता है, अगर आप इतिहास हिस्टोरिकली देखें तो राजा महाराजाओं, तानसेन अकबर के टाइम में थे, करेक्ट? राजा महाराजा पैसे देते थे, वो पोएट्स को, म्यूजिशियंस को पेट्रोनाइज करते थे. हमारे देश में ऐसा हुआ नहीं. और अब तो खैर आज की जो सरकार है उनके लिए आर्ट एंड कल्चर का कोई मतलब ही नहीं है, वो तो उसकी जरूरत ही नहीं समझते हैं. तो ये थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स हैं. अब देखते हैं हम लोग कहाँ रहते हैं, क्या होगा हमारा.
सर, बच्चों की फिल्मों का मतलब समझा जाता है कि केवल एनिमेशन फिल्में बच्चों को मनोरंजन दे सकती हैं और वो महंगी भी होती हैं, जबकि आजकल ऐसी फीचर फिल्में काफ़ी आई हैं रियल स्टोरी बेस्ड जो बच्चों के लिए हैं. जैसे एक मराठी अवार्ड विनिंग फिल्म किला थी. तो इस तरह की फिल्में हिंदी में और मतलब बनाना और मतलब दूसरी भाषा में बनाना अच्छा है, या एनिमेशन फिल्में महंगी बनाना जिसमें रिस्क भी रहता है वो अच्छा होगा?
नहीं, we are not just saying it's the animation films. We're just saying that a lot of these films जो बच्चों का baseline बन चुका है, that has become very expensive. But मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ, अगर किला जैसे फिल्म आपने बात की, अगर 3-4 फिल्में ऐसे बनती है साल में और वो बॉक्स ऑफिस पे 10 लाख कुछ कमाती है, you'll see that no one will make these films. अगर कोई रिस्क लेके बनाना चाहता है तो ये फिल्में बनती हैं. The whole circle is completed when you actually see a box office potential. वरना ये फिल्में हम बनाएंगे, फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स को ले जाएंगे, लोग वाह वाह करेंगे और ये फिर they don't get a theatrical release. So that वो सर्कल कहीं कंप्लीट करना होगा. He mentioned a very important thing. पहले NFDC होता था. They used to make films without the fear of what would happen at the box office. और फिर भी ये films release होती थी. It's not that they were just made and not shown. Now that has disappeared. So we all have to go to the same multiplex where Shah Rukh will be playing with his next feature, and 300 rupees for a ticket is impossible. Impossible.
बच्चों तक पहुंचने के लिए एनिमेशन फिल्में जरूरी हैं या रियल स्टोरी बेस्ड फिल्में जरूरी हैं? जरा सा
रियल फिल्म्स, अगर आप एक्चुअली इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल्स में देखेंगे, चिल्ड्रंस सेक्शन में 1 एनिमेशन फीचर होगा, बाकी सब लाइव एक्शन फिल्म्स होंगे. या आई एम नॉट इवन टॉकिंग एनिमेशन फिल्म्स एट ऑल. लाइव एक्शन की ही बात कर रहा हूँ मैं.
My question to both of you all is, nowadays you take, like to make films for children, you can take base of a film star, biggest film star, like for example Tare Zameen Par, Bhootnath. They collaborate with bigger stars and they make films for children. So can we, like, will cinema see something like that in future?
Every story can't be approached from that point of view, right? I mean, then you're going to make crap. Pardon my saying that, because you can't approach it कि मैं इसमें star ले आऊँगा. You know, you have to write a story for what you believe in, and you have to believe in the story itself. Yes, it's a smart move to do something like that, but not everyone is willing to jump in and help a film out. So.
Thank you.
तिग्मांशु सर, जैसे अभी आपने भी बात करी थोड़ी देर पहले के इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल में, तो अभी रिसेंटली एक ब्लू माउंटेन मूवी को भी आई थिंक अवार्ड मिला है. अभी अप्रैल में नेक्स्ट ईयर रिलीज हो रही है. तो कहीं ना कहीं आपको ये फील होता है कि स्टोरी मैटर करती है? अगर बच्चों की फिल्म भी बना रहे हैं तो उसमें स्टोरी में अगर दम है तो वो चलेगी, आइदर उसके अंदर बड़े स्टार्स हों या ना हो.
हाँ, देखिए जैसा मैंने कहा कि इस पिक्चर को रिलीज कौन कर रहा है, कितने थिएटर में रिलीज हो रही है. अगर छोटे एक मॉर्निंग शो में रिलीज हो रही है तो बच्चा तो अकेले नहीं जाएगा ना, अपने पेरेंट्स के साथ ही जाएगा ना, अकेले तो नहीं जाएगा बच्चा देखने. तो पेरेंट्स को एक तो उस तरह की वैल्यूज होनी चाहिए कि भाई हमको बच्चों को ये फिल्म दिखानी है. तो ब्लू माउंटेन को अवार्ड मिल जाएगा, रिवॉर्ड नहीं मिलेगा. आजकल बच्चों को अच्छी वैल्यूज देने के लिए पेरेंट्स भी तो वैसे होने चाहिए ना, पेरेंट्स तो बदल गए खुद ही, इसलिए। अरे नहीं सर, मैं कौन दूंगा सरकार को सेशन। नहीं नहीं, ऐसा नहीं कि बहुत इन्वॉल्व है, वो तो बहुत ज्यादा, बहुत ही एक पैनी नजर रखे हुए इस वक्त कौन क्या कर रहा है। बिल्कुल बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ दाद देनी पड़ेगी, बिल्कुल।
मामी में तो एक पूरी चिल्ड्रन सेक्शन थी, सो या बॉम्बे आल्सो हैज हैड इट, एंड फर्स्ट एडिशन था इस बार where they had a children's section and it was beautifully curated films. Yeah, so Bombay also has it.
I'd like to thank you all for having come over, and sir, thank you.
देखना आपको है वहाँ।
इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट करने के लिए हम सभी यहाँ पे प्रेजेंट हैं, आप लोग भी यहाँ पर प्रेजेंट हैं। क्या फील करते हैं जब आप लोगों को बताया गया कि इस तरह के इनिशिएटिव को सपोर्ट करना है, और आप लोगों को क्या थॉट है सबसे पहले दिमाग में?
All right. I'm good. Okay. All right. No, I think what Smile Foundation is doing is a wonderful way to actually educate children and expose them to a lot of different cultures and also issues associated with children. As adults, we are so cynical, but kids are fertile, their minds are open, and the best way to expose them to a lot of these interesting topics is through films. So I'm very, very excited to be a part of this initiative. I hope this film festival starts off well and then continues for many more years to come.
I'm supporting this festival because, see, watching film has become a very, very expensive thing. And nobody makes film for kids anymore in our country. When we were kids, there were children films shown in theaters. We used to go watch morning shows, watch Laurel Hardy or Tarzan or films by Children Film Society. So these kind of film festivals only aimed at children is a good initiative, because there the kids will come watch their film without paying too much money and interact with each other, interact with filmmakers, learn the craft of filmmaking in an innocent way. Probably it'll encourage them and will probably trigger something in them, and they will one day become good filmmakers, or at least it will put that seed in them of watching aesthetically evolved cinema, whatever. And so I think it's a good initiative and I support it fully. इसका क्या मतलब है?
इसके अलावा क्या-क्या
Yes.
क्या काम चल रहा है?
बताइए।
नागेश जी, एक हमने आपकी लक्ष्मी बहुत ब्यूटीफुल फिल्म देखी थी, बहुत ही अच्छा मैसेज था। इसके बाद ऐसा कोई मैसेज आने वाला है आप लोगों के जरिए?
Well, मेरी लेटेस्ट फिल्म है धनक, जो हमने फरवरी में बर्लिन में प्रीमियर किया था, and it is a children's film. So actually to be associated with Smile Foundation at this moment is very good timing for me. But yeah, तो जैसे जैसे stories आएंगे and we feel passionate about it, I will keep making them.
अच्छा, मेरी आने वाली फिल्म है, उसका नाम है यारा, वो चिल्ड्रन फिल्म नहीं है। तो एक्चुअली ये तो डिजर्व करते हैं यहाँ होना, शायद मैं नहीं करता। तो उसका नाम है यारा, अगले साल मई में रिलीज होनी चाहिए फिल्म वो भी, लेकिन 4 दोस्तों की कहानी, बचपना दिखाया है उसमें मैंने उन 4 का, तो थोड़ी बहुत चिल्ड्रन फिल्म है वो, 5-10 मिनट की।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू वेरी मच, थैंक यू।